crummy. Oh, touchy. Oh, it's so touchy. Yeah.
There's a seat right here we took out earlier, and I was going to take these bolts off underneath, but there's a propane tank right in front, right in between the bolts and where I need to be, I guess. And I didn't want to take the propane tank off, so we're going to try to cut them from the top and hopefully just knock them through the bottom. So I know it's kind of cheating, but we're not planning on putting another chair back here, so. Right, now that we've cut through, I haven't cut all the way through, just because I just didn't want to. So I'm trying to get underneath here and pry it up. Not quite enough, but at least it gives me an idea. There's our bolt right there. Or the size of it anyway, the threads. So all we have to do is cut right through that. And I may go get a Sawzall and do it with a Sawzall, but it's kind of flat. I think we're just gonna grind it off. So I got a piece off right here.
Ooh-wee.
It's part of it. Didn't realize that this was magnetic. his ear or collar is being a butt. Now I'm just gonna ground that off and then we'll go after it.
Yeah.
Now, we just gotta do that 4 more times, or 3 more times, and it'll be off. Yep. You good?
Yeah.
Okay. Success!
Yay! Number 6. So what happened?
Well, I made my first mistake. I should not have cut the bolts off of the chair. I don't know what I was thinking, but we are making it. Second, I'm going to have you go inside there, and there's going to be a set of pliers that is attached to this bolt. All I need you to do is just pick up on those pliers. And I think I might have just done it. So go ahead and pick up those pliers real quick. And first pick up the blue pliers, pull them out of the hole, they're going to be red. Okay, and now pull the silver ones up and just hold it. Jiggle it and pull up. Keep jiggling. There you go. Keep pulling up.
I'm doing it one-handed, hold on.
I know the shoes was sticking out of the plastic.
Missy Marvin.